Hey guys, today I've got a Kenmore washer and electric dryer I'll be showing after the washer. I just want to show you real quick as if you were standing here yourself. Got it going, full load of clothes down there, it's filling up. We're going to allow it to move through its cycle. I'm going to show you that it agitates correctly, drains out, and then spins accordingly. You'll see that everything operates nice, smooth, sounds great. I do a 28-point inspection on the washer, 22-point inspection on the dryer. Everything mechanical and electrical gets checked just to ensure everything is working perfectly before I list it up for sale. And kind of purpose of this video is so you know when you buy it, take it home, plug it in, everything's going to work good. So we're on to the Agitation. A really good job getting those clothes nice and clean. So we'll let that move through and we'll come back and show you the final spin. Alright, and it is draining now. You can hear it draining. This up. And it's going to move on into the rinse cycle there. Alright, we're back for the final spin cycle here. It is just about up to full speed. I'm going to open this lid here and show you that it is spinning nice and fast. Lid switch is going to kick in and shut it down. Safety switch there. But I do that just so that you know it is spinning nice and fast. It's nice smooth. Alright, we'll go ahead and open that up. There you go. Alright, I'll let that finish up, then I'll move those over to the dryer, show you that the dryer is nice smooth operation and is heating appropriately. Okay, now we've got our like new condition Estate, which is by Whirlpool electric dryer. I'm going to show you real quick that it works perfectly here. So we'll just go time dry, which is high heat. It is a super capacity. See, it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So we'll take our little temperature gun here. Right in between the two red dots is where it's going to take a measurement for the temperature. If I can talk today. So like the floor there is about 72 degrees. So we're going to open this up. Right inside that heating element tube, we're going to take a measurement there. So it's going to come out of that little tube there pretty hot. Take a picture. And then in turn, that inside of your dryer is going to get between 95 and 195. Just depends on which heat setting you pick. So toss those back in there. Here we go. That's pretty much it. You can hear my kids screaming in the background. But now you know, when you get it home, plug it in, everything's going to work fine. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks and have a great day.